Hey, what do you know about Python?
Python is a high-level interpreted general-purpose programming language. Being a general-purpose programming language, it can be used to build an almost any type of applications with the right tools and libraries. Additionally, Python has supports objects, modules, and threads, exception handling, and automatically and memory management, which can modeling on real-world problems and modeling applications with uh, solving the problems. And being a benefits of using in Python, Python is general purpose programming language. Simply, easily to learn syntax that readability and therefore reduce the cost of program maintenance. Moreover, the language capable scripting is a completely open source and support a third-party packages also. Uh, it is high-level data structure combining with the uh, dynamic type of dynamic being attract with the hack community of developers. The rapid of applications development and development deployment.
Okay, then what is in data types?
So
Simple data types.
okay. Data types is stored in the variables and stored in the variables. They have some types of data types. There are numeric sequences, map and text type. And first one is numeric. Numeric is a into flow to complex. And coming to sequence, sequence is a listed tuple and range. Into text is a string type, and map is a dictionary, and set is a 14 set and set. Coming to numerics is how they have, and int is a stored in integer values in a class. Mm, means only like cannot with alloy decimal points.
Mhm.
Say like example is one, two, three, four, like that's it. Next float is a float float is can store a floating points like decimal points. For example, 2.0, 3.55, uh, that type of point values. Next, coming to complex. Complex is a real and imagined parts like 1 plus 3j or 3i, that type of. Next, coming to sequences. Sequences is a list tuple and range. List is a order of collection of elements. It's separated with commas. It enclosed with the square brackets. Mm, it is immutable. It cannot change the value. It can change the values and items. List have a large of memory, and the list is slow. List is slow, and the list have some 11 type of methods. There are extend, append, sort, pop, delete, clear, uh, uh, that type of. Next, coming to tuple. Tuple is a order of collection of elements separated with commas. It is enclosed with a parallel brackets, and it is immutable. Uh, cannot change the values on the items. Tuple is a less memory, and compared to list, tuple is fast because of list is tuple is less memory, and the tuple have a two type of methods and count and index. Coming to range, range is a uh, immutable. Range is immutable. Syntax of range is start to stop on step. Coming to test type. Test type is a string. A string type. String is a string is a immutable. It is denoted with comma square sorry, single quotes and double quotes. Single quotes and double quotes. How 34 types of there are recursive pop item. The type and uppercase upper lower is upper is lower, that type of. And coming to map is a dictionary. Dictionary is keys are separated with colons, values are separated with commas, and which is a codes. There are also some types, some methods. There are item, sorted, sorted this type of. Next, coming to set. Set has two types. There are 14 set and set. Set is a unordered collection of elements with separate commas. It is enclosed with a curly brackets. Curly brackets. And it is mutable, but settings cannot allow the duplicate values, and set have some types. There are some methods: pop item, unique union, the type. Next, coming to frozen set, like a same as a set. Frozen set is like a same as set, but uh, set is mutable. Frozen set is mutable. Next, coming with Boolean. Boolean is a true and false. True or false is the handled data types.
Okay. What is generator? Generator.
Okay. Generator is generator is a keyword. Generator in Python is a keyword. It is using with a uh,
Hello. Yeah.
uh, generator in Python is a type of iterator that generates a sequence of values on the fly. Instead of generating all the values upfront and storing the memory, a generator has implicit as functions that has used to yield keyword from data.
Okay. What is the use of next?
Sorry.
Next. Next.
Sorry.
Next. Next.
Using
Next. Generator.
using with
Hmm.
in generator using with next keyword next.
What is the use of it?
Okay.
Are you typing or else what?
Just say we can use it with next one. Or proceed the next one.
Okay. Then explain about generator.
Okay, generator is a for example, generator is an even number. No.
Okay.
Example, generator is an even number. Function numbers in m, and generator sequence of numbers up to the yield keyword using with written values and temporarily suppose our suspend functions executions when the generator iterated over the for loop inside the generator functions execute on the iteration of one time until the end of the until the yield statement reached.
Okay. And then decorator. What about? Can you say that decorator?
Say cannot change uh, in Python. Decorator is a cannot change the um, decorator is a cannot change cannot change exiting function with a create with a new function using with and decorator is at the rate decorator is represented with a at the rate symbol.
Okay, what is the MBT Django architecture?
Django architecture.
MBT architecture.
Okay. Where MBT architecture. MBT is a model wave templates. Models means
Okay.
models means we cannot change the value. Some models we can create models use templates.
Yeah.
Models use templates. Models means we can create the models in a we can create the models. We can write some of the we can write some of some particular values, some reasons in class type, and the views is a we can write a logic of the business. Logic of the business. Logic of the business. And the components handling the logic of the web application, such as concurrent users say input and iterating the models iterate to multiply data. Django views are implemented by functional class. And MVD is this MVD is a components that are responsible for choosing the HTML format output of the applications. In Django templates, return a HTML and include dynamic content using with template tagging and variables. The MVT pattern is the more widely known as a MVC. MVC means models, view, and controller pattern. What is this differences? Some key differences as MVC and MVT. Okay, and the template is responsible for rendering the output, while MVC, the view of typically handles this responsible additions embedded design to the more loosely capable MVC, allowing for greater flexibility and modularity in the designing of web applications.
Okay. Explain about middleware. Django. Middleware.
Middleware.
Hmm.
In Java middleware, say content is between web server in view, web server in view, and perform the various action in an incoming request output of response. Middleware can be used to vectory purpose such as say modifying the request and response handler logging request and response, implementing authentication or authorization, adding or removing a HTTP headers. Middleware is implemented as a Python Python classes that defines method of processing and including request output of response. The process of request method is called each incoming request. The process of response and MVT is a totally security purpose. Hello.
Okay.
MVT is a totally security purpose and lightweight plugins and hooks also. And middleware have uh, and middleware have there are seven types. So, seven types of middleware.
Okay.
Seven types of middleware. There are custom sessions,
Seconds.
sessions. Second one, sorry, first one's sorry, first one is authentication. First one sessions. Next one security. Third one authentication and CSRF and sessions authentication, sessions security. First one sessions. Second one uh, sessions security authentication, CSRF and message express.
In Django, hitting start UI.
Sorry,
Can you explain in Django? Hitting start UI. What are they?
Django Django setting start UI.
What are they?
Django setting start UI. Django settings start UI is a Python module Django project that contains a various setting and configurations for the project.
Okay.
It is located at the dictionary, sorry, uh, directory of the project and has a this is the secret of string. This is the secret of string using for coding things, and it has a debug secret key debug allowed hosts install apps database static URL media URL
What saves of migrate and migration?
microphone migrations. Okay. Migrate is say we can create the database of connect with the database using it to make migrations. And migrate is say you can schedule the data and the models of models. And these are create a database of tables using with migrate.
How to connect DB in Django?
DB in Java. Okay. Settings in using with the fifth one of database that has a using with the name SQL name. Sorry, SQL name using with some name. That
Okay.
type of connect.
That's it.
Move to settings. The settings define the database configuration of the project. It is including the database engine name, host, port, username, and password to connect to DB. Okay.
And what is pagination in Django?
Pagination in Django. Pagination is we can write the pagination in one by one. We can write the page in something. And next one is the pagination of Django. Uh, pagination is clearly what is pagination, just what is what.
say what is the use Django REST API? What does REST API does do?
Sorry.
REST API.
HTTP.
Hmm.
HTTP is a server and client of the mediator of the REST API. No.
Okay.
It is software of architecture standardly defined as a set of contents to be used and creating web service, a RESTful web service on at the configuration is content making easy to develop, maintain and scale.
What are the HTTP method?
HTTP methods are get, post, and delete, get, post, head also. Hello.
Django.
Get, put, post, delete, and head, opinion and connect, optional and connect. Sorry.
Can you explain about collections in Python?
It's in Python. Okay, collections in Python and collections of Python are and not a totally and clarity. I have some type of some types. There are collections in Python. How uh, sometimes there are new tuple, EQ, counter, default dictionary, cherry, and chim.
You said cherry.
Sorry,
Can you repeat again?
it's audible, but your voice is not clear, not clarity.
Okay. Can you repeat again?
Name,
Yeah. Naming table.
default dictionary.
Your voice is not audible to me. Hello?
Yeah, are you audible?
Yeah.
Python collections is name tuple,
Okay.
default dictionary,
What is default dictionary? Hello. What is default? Yeah.
default dictionary is a subclass of the built-in dictionary class Python. Okay, and this overrides one method of missing to provide, provide a default value non-existing key the accessing of dictionary.
Yeah.
Okay, and the default factor parameter is passed to the default dictionary constructor and provides the default value for any existing key.
Can you explain what is
Mm,
encapsulation?
encapsulation. Encapsulation is one of the OOPS concept.
Yeah.
Encapsulation is one of the OOPS concept.
Okay.
And, format and encapsulation is format of content concept of object-oriented programming. It is practice on handling internal details and object and existing only what is necessary for the outside to interact with it. Encapsulation is a achievable enough through use access modifier such as public, private, and protected. In Python, there are two access modifier like some other programming languages such as Java or C.
Okay.
Okay. And we are still achieving encapsulation through a naming convention and the uses of construct underscores. Okay. Encapsulation helps that the internal state of objects in academically are being closely modified from outside the class. It also provides a clear separations of currents between the implementation details of the class and a public interface which can help make the code more
Okay.
to understand it.
Okay. Can you explain about polymorphism? Polymorphism.
Polymorphism.
Hmm.
Okay. Polymorphism is
Hmm.
another fundamental concept of Woods. It refers to the ability of an object to take a multiple forms of different action based on the context which is used.
Okay.
In Python, programming can be achieved through the used method overriding and method overloading.
Okay.
Okay, the method overloading is when subclass provides a one implementation of a method that is already defined in its superclass.
Okay.
Okay, that allows a subclass to override the behaviors of the method in superclass and provides the one implementation. Coming to
Hmm.
method overloading is when multiple methods have have a same name built different parameters. In Python, method overloading is not directly supported by we can achieve similar functionality by using default parameters values are variable variable length arguments lists.
Okay. Where is the difference?
And sorry, uh, hello,
Method overloading and method overloading.
sorry,
Overloading and
loading. Which type of loading? Sorry, I can't understand your question. Repeat again. You ask me overloading.
yeah.
Okay. The method overloading when multiple methods have the some name of different parameters.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Same name but different parameters. In Python, method overloading is not directly supported, but we can achieve similar functionality by using default parameter values or variable length arguments. Okay. And overloading is not supported in Python, but we can support using with dispatch method. Multiple dispatch method we can use import multiple dispatch method.
Multiple dispatch.
Hmm,
Can you
multiple dispatch.
can you say the difference between list and array?
Extend array references. Extend references. A list is the order of collection of elements with separate with commas and inclusive with a square brackets. And as well as array is a list is allows a homogeneous and heterogeneous, and array is allows only homogeneous values only. Homogeneous means only single type of data type, any single data type, but array is allow only single data type, and a list is allow and multiple data types like homogeneous or heterogeneous. Uh, and list syntax is list square brackets 1 comma 2 comma 3 1 comma 2 comma 3 square bracket, and array syntax is import array dot array square brackets single for a double quotes of I and parenthesis and parenthesis of some values 1 comma 2 comma 3, that type of.
Okay, we are closing our section.
Sorry.
Okay, we are closing our session.
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
We are closing our section or meeting by stopping and by meeting.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.